Most of us only buy 1 or 2 dishwashers in our lives. How are you supposed to keep up with what features they need or what they should cost?
Manufacturers introduce new models every year with new technologies. It's hard to tell what you actually need and pick a decent dishwasher from the hundreds out there, especially when so many popular brands are out of stock.
That's where we come in. Hi, I'm John with Designer Appliances.
We're the only appliance store that makes it our #1 goal to take the stress and confusion out of shopping. In this video, I'm going to cover the 5 questions you should consider as you shop for a new dishwasher.
Whether you're looking for a replacement and need it ASAP or just browsing for a future remodel, thinking through these factors will help ensure you're happy with your purchase. Number 1, what type of dishwasher do you want?
The most common option is a full-size built-in dishwasher. These fit a 24-inch wide opening under your counter. On the exterior, you'll need to consider if you want a visible front control panel for easy access or a fully integrated dishwasher for a sleeker look. The most popular finish these days is stainless steel, and we recommend finding something with a fingerprint-resistant finish. Another trendy option is to match your surrounding cabinets with a panel-ready dishwasher. If you're short on space, consider a portable dishwasher on wheels, a countertop dishwasher, or an 18-inch built-in dishwasher. And if you like the flexibility of running multiple smaller loads, you might want to consider a double drawer like this one from Fisher-Paykel.
Number 2, how much do the wash and dry results matter to you?
Of course you want to buy a dishwasher with enough wash cycles and options to cover any after-dinner mess. We suggest everybody look for a sensor wash option that automatically adjusts to how dirty your dishes are. And if you plan on washing fine china or crystal, look for something that sports a delicate setting. If you wash a lot of sports or baby bottles, we love the bottle jet feature from GE. With drying performance, you get what you pay for. Ask whether the dishwasher you're eyeing has a heating element for drying or instead relies on condensation. We think the latter is better. It uses less energy, is safer for your dishes, and less prone to breaking. When shopping for a dishwasher with condensation dry, features like an auto-opening door or integrated fans can mean the difference between having to hand-dry glasses before putting them away or not. So look out for those.
Number 3, how quiet do you need your dishwasher to be?
Anything below 50 decibels is quiet, but if you're looking for something nearly silent, we'd recommend targeting 45 decibels and lower. If your kitchen's in an open concept space, then definitely keep this in mind. If it's far from your TV watching and hangout spaces, you might not care as much.
Have a question about a specific dishwasher? Leave a comment below and I'll get right back to you. Number 4, what kind of design do you want?
For the interior, ask if there's a third rack, movable tines, bottle guides, fasteners for wine glasses, or adjustable racks. If you can, try adjusting the racks and tines in person to see how easy they are to move. That kind of thing might turn out to be a pet peeve later on. We've seen people even take their dinner plates with them when shopping to make sure they'll fit.
Number 5, how important is reliability to you?
Of course, no one wants to buy a lemon, but it doesn't make sense to invest a ton if you're not planning to stay in your current home very long. By our analysis, the 3 most dependable dishwasher brands are Miele, Bosch, and Whirlpool. Always ask if the brand has good, localized service in your area.
The answers to these 5 questions should set you up for dishwasher shopping success. Think them through and quiz your salesperson, and you're sure to get a model that fits your needs and your budget. Are you in New York or New Jersey? Stop by one of our showrooms. A member of our sales team would be happy to help you find exactly what you need. Not local? Leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos to get our expert take on the best dishwashers available.